Nagios Core Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Nagios Core is a widely used monitoring platform, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's entirely free without limitations. The surprising truth is that while the core software is open source, real-world costs arise from add-ons, enterprise features, and professional support. For basic monitoring, Nagios Core lets you track servers, applications, and network devices at no charge. You won't believe how much you can do with community plugins and scripts to extend functionality. For businesses needing advanced dashboards, reporting, or formal support, Nagios offers subscription plans starting at around $995 per year for up to 100 nodes. Most people get this wrong, not factoring in the value of official support and enterprise modules, which can prevent downtime and costly errors. In conclusion, Nagios Core pricing ranges from free community use to premium enterprise plans. By understanding what is included in open source versus paid tiers, you go from zero to pro in choosing the right monitoring solution for your business need and budget.